change its spots so that it moves to a new spot.
You only have one spot though.
No, I just had two spots, one there, one here. I'm gonna move again. Oh, just got a third spot.
I mean, I get it, but it still doesn't make sense.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. So yesterday we learned a new concept, right? We learned about some redox reactions. Crazy. Some oxidation numbers. There's lots of rules we wrote down. You guys remember that?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to go through a quick rundown of the rules. All right. Very quick. All right. Rule number 1. Oxygen is -2. Okay. Rule number 2. I'm not going in order because I don't have them memorized in order. So rule number 2. Hydrogen, let's see, is +1 when bonded with nonmetals, and -1 when bonded with metals.
What about metalloids?
Depends on which metalloid it's bonded with. It varies. Okay. Rule number 3. Column 17 is -1. There is kind of one exception. Is sometimes fluorine. Fluorine can be a +1 sometimes. Okay, let's see. 4. Don't touch it, please. Did it break?
Yeah. I didn't even do it. Never do.
I'll get the rest. All right, rule number 4. An unpaired element with no charge equals 0. Do you know what the ditto means? Can I just do that? An unpaired element with a charge, the oxidation number equals the charge. Okay. 6. Let's see, what was left? Oh, a neutral compound sum of ox numbers equal 0. And last but not least, a charged compound sum of ox numbers equal charge. That was our 7 rules. Cool. You guys kind of remember those? Okay. Now today, honestly, there's about 15 of them. I just picked the most important ones. Today, in today's little practice, there is an 8th one. Okay. The 8th one is, in most cases, column 1 equals +1 charge, or +1 oxidation. okay? You will need that one today. In today's little practice. Okay? So, let's go over one practice problem. And then we'll be good to go. Okay, one practice. So, let's see. And I need to know the H, S, and the O. Okay. What's the oxidation number of oxygen? -2. How'd you get that? Whoever said -2? Yeah, rule number 1. Oxygen's -2. Holy smokes. We already got one of our 3 answers. That's pretty cool. So one oxygen is -2. I have 4 of those. So, okay, so oxygen has a total of -8. Let's see. Hydrogen. Is there a rule about hydrogen? Absolutely. Okay, when bonded with nonmetals, hydrogen is +1. Holy smokes, I got 2 of my answers. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so I have 2 +1s. So that's 2. Is there a charge up here? Okay, so it has to equal 0. So what number must my sulfur be? 6 is the correct answer. 2 plus 6 minus 8 equals 0. And that is correct. Okay, that is correct. How do we feel on that? Is that kind of a reminder? Okay, now, before we move on to how we apply this information, I feel like we should just do some practice. Okay, I feel like practice makes perfect. Know what I'm saying? So, I do have a little handout I'm going to give you guys. All right, there's 45 problems. It won't take too long, but I think we'll do good.